there. Gonna be spending most of the day today writing the article for part 13. Hopefully I can record the video for part 13 as well, so if that can be done this week, then we can have the article getting the video getting edited within this week, which will be great because part 13 has been going on for quite some time. I've been working on touching up the various parts of the code for part 13 offline. So the question right now is just turning that into article form, and then of course recording the instructions in the article as a video. So what I got going on is separation of the functionality for the health and the mana. So everything is handled by the player, whereas the UI elements will just have like small functions there that you can call to pass the information over. So this greater separation means that everything is gonna be cleaner. But I was just cleaning up some of the codes in the health UI script as well, and I think now there are some discrepancies, so I've got to fix those first before I put them up into the article.
Well, I'm still praying for his safety and hoping he gets his milk. So chalky, but hope only gets a frog so far. This game of memes plays heavy on my heart, and VC memes have been cringe from the start. So I'll carry up around wherever I go. They say pressure makes diamonds, how the hell's apple still so low? Now I've seen the future and I'm not lying. Opus greatness, it's so blinding. Billions of market cap are destined if we keep on grinding. Keep the faith out through apostles. What awaits for you is gold. This game of memes plays heavy on my heart, and VC memes have been cringe from the start. So I'll chill out through on Twitter everywhere that I go. They say pressure makes diamonds, so make tweets for Aku and let's go. No
So just a little cleaning up here. I'm setting up the health UI. So as I'm setting this up, I'm also taking into account the fact that in the future we are going to be building charms. If we do that, then we are going to have to make the UI adaptable because we will have different health icons for different kinds of charms, right? So let me just drop the prefabs in as well. Create a new UI folder. Hi Donut, nice to see you. I hope you've been well. So I'm just placing two of the hearts right here, and we have the UI set up. It's not early for me at all. It's mid-afternoon right now. It's 2 PM over here. Your place probably it's like 10 or 11, right? Let me just take some time and get all these things set up. There seems to be a little discrepancy with the health. How much health does the player have? The player has 10 health but only 8 hearts. Yeah. Hi Kia, nice to see you. Enjoy your tablet. Tablets are a lot of fun to play with. Well, for a couple of months at least. But if you like drawing, if you like drawing, it might last for longer. If you're interested in it. I like drawing, and then I realized I couldn't do it very well. Something wrong with my health display here.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of poos in my ledger, in my ledger, in my ledger, in my ledger. What's in your ledger? I got something better. I make pussies wetter. Yeah, your girl, I spread her. Feels good, feel retarded. Rugged by Devin, still not dead. I have these other men Bitcoins giving me hell. I've been holding since before the rug and even ate the bit more. And after cop 100 million, I pull and after your girl cheated. You mad at her? I'm sitting pretty, sitting real pretty. I blew the 10 billion. 10 billion, I blew the 10 billion.
Thank you so much, Kia. Enjoy the content, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment on the YouTube video itself or on our forums. Both are valid channels if you want to ask questions. So here in this stream, I just code, and it's a way just to it's a way to hold myself accountable. Because otherwise, without being on stream, I'll do work a lot slower. And that is why I come on stream.
He's catching tendies at the Wendy's, slaying all his foes. Got his chalky milk made with Nesquik high quality. Sharing it with all his friends, cause they're his family. Tendies and chalky milk, that's the way we roll. Apple Staja, he's got charm and he's got soul. Sipping on that chocolatey goodness, feeling oh so fine. With his friends by his side, they're gonna have a good time. Wendy's got the crispy chicken cooking up a storm. Apple Staja's in line ready to perform. He's got the tendies in his hands, his mouth starts to salivate. Everyone wants a taste, they can't even wait. Oh yeah.
Now the health is correct.
Truck call.
Well, except that the parts are kind of wrong.
This kind is very real. Start and no be novice. Click and make you notice. Cause it is frog. Money no limit. Frog na bosso. Frog money doubles a lot. Apu, 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 apu. Apu, 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 apu. Apu, apu, get your apu and chill, yeah. Buy your apu and chill, yeah. Get your apu and chill, yeah.
Man, the health, the display of the health is so wrong.
Buy your apu and chill, yeah. The best in the world. Apu City. Apple is very real. Start ya no be novice. Click and make you notice. Cause it's frog money. No doll, frog money. No sleep, oh, frog money. Frog money doubles a lot, oh. Apple, 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 apple. Apple, apple. Apple, 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 apple. Apple, apple. Frog money, frog money, frog money. Frog. Apple, apple. Saja.
In the haze of twilight's glow, Apu is rocking to and fro. There's a man with a groovy plan, who's loved by the nostalgia clan. The shadows of Jinx's place, scheming my side above all day. I'm moving, grooving, but I can't see. Blindly trusting in 5G. Man, bro, the chops both all night long. I trust in the plan, we can do no wrong. Even if the world ends, I don't care, cause I'm dancing with my friends.
Have you met Lord Apu? Someone said as we shook hands, he was just Lord Apu to me. Then I said, Lord Apu, you're a gentleman who understands. I'm a man who must be friendly. You better drink cola, you better not be rude, you better not forget to brush their teeth. I'm telling you why. Apu is coming to town. Apu is coming to town. Apu is coming to town. I practice every day to find some clever lines to say, to make the meaning come through. And then I went and spoiled it all by saying something stupid like beep boo boo. I can see it in his eyes that he despises bedtime like the day before. He loves coffee, he's dog, he loves pizza, that's why Lord Apu. That's why Lord Apu is a frog. Beep beep boo boo. Beep 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 beep.
Why are the blue hearts all disabled?
When I said Lord Apu,
Instead of set
you're
it
a
proof
gentleman
to
who
one.
understands. I'm a man who must be friendly.
Or is it just the prefab himself
You better not forget to brush
is
their
disabled?
teeth.
No wonder.
Apu is coming to town.
Okay, I think I found the issue. The parts should be working properly now.
Apu is coming to town. Apu is coming to
So next thing I want to see is whether these extra pickups serve their purpose when they do their work. But if they do, I can start writing the article, which I'm really excited to do. So once I get a new part, should be able to have one extra little part here. And of course I can heat up these hearts. But the blue hearts will never come back. But the red hearts should. Something wrong here with the red heart because. Oh, sorry, there's nothing wrong with that. My bad. Okay. It's working fine. When I lose the blue hearts, is there a way to make this glow? Let's see. If I make this glow, because I was just playing Hollow Knight the other day and I noticed that the UI actually glows when certain conditions are met. So I figured that, you know, perhaps you can do that as well.
Captured hearts bit by bit, from dawn till dusk and beyond the screen. You're the frog of dreams, a blooming queen. In the endless sea of internet lore, you stand out, Apple, more and more. With every meme shared, legacy grows. You're the meme that everyone knows. So here's to Apple, our meme king. In the meme world, you reign supreme. With your charm and wit, you'll forever shine. Approve from the meme diva.
Oh yeah, there's also when you die, there can be a way too much health. The character.
Take two, wanna beat, home. Yo, it's Apple up the sky, yeah, I'm calling you out. Sun Tzu, doing well, dumping coins all about. You roll the art of war, but you ain't got the clout. I'ma show you how we roll, make the internet shop. Got my memes on lock and my strategies tight.
When we die, there is a mana penalty, and this goes away when I kill the shade.
So hard, you gon' wish you believed. You ain't like us, now you ain't like us. Thinking you a master, but you ain't.
Where's my die now?
Dumping all those coins, but you're not like I'm doing us. Trying to teach tactics, but you're not like I'm doing us. Your chapters and verses, yeah, they're ancient and weak. In the crypto world, you're just a dusty antique. You ain't got the memes and you ain't got the flow. Your strategies are slow and your wisdom is low. In this digital age, you can't keep up the pace. I'm the master of the web, you're just a disgrace. You said all warfare is based on deception, but look at me now, I'm the meme inception. You ain't like us, now you ain't like us. Thinking you a master, but you ain't like us. Dumping all those coins, but you not like I'm doing us. Trying to teach tactics, but you not like I'm doing us. Your soldiers and spies ain't got nothing on memes. Your whole philosophy just old chatter dreams. I'm the king of this game, and you just a pawn. You better step back or you'll get wrecked at dawn. Your art of war ain't got no lights. It's just a boring book, get out of my sight. I'm the new school, bringing heat to the fight. You stuck in the past, better take flight. From the forums to the chats, I'm reigning supreme. You're a relic of the past, I'm the future mean dream. So take your old scrolls and fade to dust. In the world of Apu, it's in me we trust. You ain't like us, now you ain't like us. Thinking you a master, but you ain't like us. Dumping all those coins, but you not like I'm doing us. Trying to teach tactics, but you not like I'm doing us. You ain't like us, now you ain't like us. Thinking you a master, but you ain't like us. Dumping all those coins, but you not like I'm doing us. Trying to teach tactics, but you not like I'm doing us. Yeah, it's a do wanna beat, huh? Yours our feelings. That's a put you not like Apple and us. You ain't like us, now you ain't like us. Thinking you a master, but you ain't like us. But you're not like Apple and us. Trying to teach tactics, but you're not like Apple and us.
My apple brings all the G to the yard, and dang right, it's better than yours. He can teach you, but he'd have to charge. It's the apple that keeps them coming back for more. He pours the chai so smooth and frothy, blending flavors, it's a work of art. He's got the spices, the secret recipe. One sip and it'll warm your heart. My apple brings all the G to the yard, and dang right, it's better than yours. He can teach you, but he'd have to charge. It's the apple that keeps them coming back for more. My apple brings all the G to the yard, and dang right, it's better than yours. He can teach you, but he have to charge. It's the apple that keeps them coming back for more. Jump up and down, here's the sound. I pull up beside ya. We're gaining ground, moving and grooving. Feel the beat. Together we dance in this city street. Hands in the air, let's show we care. I pull up beside ya, brings us all here, spinning and twirling, spread and cheer. We're the ones who make change appear. We're the ones who make change appear.
Do I have to manage? When I respawn, right? My mana is not penalized. So what is the value of max mana over here? Let's just check it out. Max mana is 3. In the old version, the previous version, there's the penalty apply. Let's check it out as well.
To my woes, you understand. With you by my side, no, not November, yes I can. From dusk till dawn, we dance away. Me and my shoe, no hold okay. I'm my shoe, no hold okay. I'm in love, okay.
So in the old version, the mana penalty applies, and let me just update this version of the files first.
With every step my heart beats true. In these places I found my crew. Every day he's greater. But what can you do? 'Cause I'm loving you do. 'Cause I let them talk. Let them stare. I'll hold you close without a care. For in this love I found my place. Me and my shoe. Kissing sweet embrace. I'm in love with a sentient shoe.
Bored at the bottom, fucking I ain't getting real. Bitch, I bought more. I bought more. Had to double up. I said I had to triple up. Got the cold cuts. Said I got the motherfucking cold cuts. Coin chicken. Check the chart. Free. I said go and hit that button. Free. Right at the bottom, is you real or is you fake? Oh, is you fake? Okay. Bought at the bottom. Oh, you fake. Okay. Bought at the bottom. Fucking I ain't get real. Ooh, bitch, I bought more. I bought more.
Let's look at how the
I said I had to triple up. Got the cold cut. Said I got the motherfucking cold cut.
penalty is
Check the chart. Free. I
that.
Go and hit that button, free. Buy at the bottom, is you real or is you fake, okay? Okay. Buy at the bottom. Fuck it,
Is that handle the mana ops handler?
bitch, I bought more. Free, I bought more. Free. Shit, my pants, it's all good.
Because it looks like might be.
Cause she to see a bot. Sheesh, that's why he sold. Buying surgery, why he sold. He doing weird shit the Lord told. Check the transaction, I never sold. Carry man wanna get me. Big ticky on me, I'm ready. Is you real or is you fake, okay? Okay. Buy at the bottom. Fuck it, I ain't getting rude. Cool. Bitch, I bought more. Real free, I bought more. Real free.
On there. So there's this half mana thing that's going on, which clamps the mana to half. So the half mana stat is gone. And in the state we instead have
standing on solid ground. Dev try to pull a move, but he's just a janitor. With Apu in control, we're the true creator. Which friend are you, friend? Make your choice. In Apu we trust, we raise our voice. Rolling with my homie Pepe, unstoppable force. In the world of crypto, we set the course. Ice out in Apu coin, that's the biggest flex. My haters drown in their tears, we collect checks. In the world of crypto, we choose Apu. No room for the weak, we're breaking through. So listen up, haters, and listen up good. Apu's the king of the hood. With Apu coin, we're making stacks. So bow down, motherfuckers, and face the facts.
Brucia quando faccio pipì, le mani, 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 fiammeggiante, ardente, caldo, occhi, fiammeggiante, ardente, caldo, occhi, ho bisogno di un impacco di ghiaccio mai così divertente. Ho bisogno di un impacco di ghiaccio mai così divertente. Brucia quando faccio pipì, le mani, brucia quando faccio pipì, le mani, brucia quando faccio pipì, le mani.
mana doesn't increase beyond. If I die with more than that amount of mana,
Ho bisogno di un impacco di ghiaccio mai così divertente. Brucia quando faccio pipì, le mani, brucia quando faccio pipì, le mani, brucia quando faccio pipì, le mani. Brucia quando faccio pipì, le mani, brucia quando faccio pipì, le mani, brucia quando faccio pipì,
oh, it starts 0 mana.
le mani, brucia
Okay.
quando faccio pipì, le mani. Toilette in fiamme dal dolore infinito. Toilette in fiamme dal dolore
So I forgot to
infinito.
set
È
the
così
mana here to
divertente
0.
ma è così divertente le mo. Ma è così divertente le mo. Brucia quando faccio pipì. Le mo. Brucia quando faccio pipì. Le mo. Brucia quando faccio pipì. Le mo.
Which will fix the problem.
Have you met Lord Apu? Someone said as we shook hands, he was just Lord Apu to me. Then I said, Lord Apu, you're a gentleman who understands. I'm a man who must be friendly. You better drink cola, you better not be rude, you better not forget to brush their teeth. I'm telling you why. Apu is coming to town. Apu is coming to town. Apu is coming to town. I practice every day to find some clever lines to say, to make the meaning come through. And then I went and spoiled it all by saying something stupid like beep boo boo. I can see it in his eyes that he despises bedtime like the day before. He loves coffee, he's dog, he loves pizza, that's why Lord Apu. That's why Lord Apu is a frog. Beep beep boo boo.
I'm actually very tempted to code a flow. Okay.
You're a gentleman who understands. I'm a man who must be friendly. You better drink cola, you better not be rude, you better not forget to brush their teeth. I'm telling you why. Apu is coming to town. 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 Apu is coming to town.
I'm ever flipping chicken. I put one tennies and choky milk dripping. I like body bitches. I make a simple lines out exotic bitch. I got retarded bitches. Jeets pull the bag out from you for them double digits. All she want is my titty. Hating wiggers looking up to me fucking midgets. I poo on my clothes. I poo on my hoes. I poo on my toes. I poo overload. I poo on my clothes. Drip. I poo on my hoes. Drip. Poo on my toes. I poo overload. Tennies dripping flavor, baby. I got choky milk on me, no spilling, baby. I'm living crazy, baby. Whole bunch of water on me like I poo in the pond, baby. I know the needs will save me. I got friends doing space calls, lazy. I was supposed to make it, so when he make it to the top, they gonna cheat it. Fuck all that fuck wigger, I came in with retards and mean dealers. Went outside, toes in mud, wigger. Them cheats wasn't there with no hugs, wigger. Sauced up my life and I got richer. Now everybody can see the picture. I drip buttermilk, eating tendies with chunky milk. Smoke, I switch on my clothes. I poo on my hoes. I poo on my toes. I poo overload. I poo on my clothes. Drip. I poo on my hoes. Drip. Poo on my toes. I poo overload. Ooh, dripping flavor, baby. I got choky milk on me, no spilling, baby. I'm living crazy, baby. Whole bunch of water on me like I poo in the pond, baby. I know the mean is supposed to save me. I got friends doing space calls and lazy. I was supposed to.
Hey, let me tell you about the billionaires living in the castles with the gold-plated chairs. They own everything. They think they're so supreme, but I'm here to tell them it's all just a dream. They're sitting on their thrones, counting all the cash while the rest of us struggle. Scream.
So this health thing, right? Like it gives you just play around with this thing, health. So health is an integer here. The rest health over here is an integer.
Do not redeem. Think of my village, think of my seed. The token you bitch, you bloody bitch. I leave you in stitch, my bastards will hit. I leave you dead in the street, well shit. I don't need beef, but beef you can get. If you redeem, you receiving the tick.
Can I use a
If you
bot?
proceed, I'm claiming your gains and causing your pain. You bloody bitch, I'm with the gang. Bastard, I'm shooting, big bullets will spray. Slurp up the dip, we're slurping today. You're slurping tomorrow, I need to get paid. Do not
This means that when we
redeem. I'm begging you, please. I'm down on my knees. Do not redeem.
finish
Pick up
the
my
pickup,
business,
we
pick
get
up my
3
seed. The
overflows of
token
health.
you need. Many rupees, so many dollars. Do not redeem and give me them profits. Many rupees, so many dollars. Do not redeem and give me them profits. Do not redeem. Think of my village and think of my seed. The token you bitch, you bloody bitch. I leave you a stitch. My bastards will hit. I leave you dead in the street where shit. I don't need beef, but beef you can get. If you redeem, you receiving the tick. If you proceed, now I'm claiming your gains and I'm causing your pain. You bloody bitch, I'm with the gang. Bastard, I'm shooting, big bullet will stray. Slurp up the dip, we're slurping today. You're slurp tomorrow, I need to get paid. Do not redeem the B&B. I'm begging you, please. I'm down on my knees. Do not redeem. Think of my village, think of my seed. The token you need. Many rupees, so many dollars. Do not redeem. Ain't giving them profits. Many rupees, so many dollars. Do not redeem. Give me them profits. Do not redeem. Think of my village and think of my seed. The token you bitch, you bloody bitch. I leave you in stitch. My bastards will hit. I leave you there in the street where shit. I don't need beef, but beef you can get. If you redeem, you're receiving the tick. If you proceed, I'm claiming your gains and I'm causing your pain. You bloody bitch, I'm with the gang. Bastard, I'm shooting, big bullet will spray. Slurp up the dip, we're slurping today. You're slurping tomorrow, I need to get paid.
Hot shots per health.
My fucking caravan. Ride through the plan, we got the finger on the trigger free. Caravan. Acting real scary, I think we might have to bury them. Caravan. This man is the enemy friend. Looking all spooky, they're doubling back again. Make sure you got the finger on the trigger free. Here they come again. Caravan. Ride through the plan, we got the finger on the trigger free. Caravan. Acting real scary, I think we might have to bury them. Caravan, I ain't going back there again. Living my life in a fucking pen. Caravan. Stop at my house, you'll get dumped on friend. We don't play games, we put them to an end. Caravan.
So it's actually possible for health to take half a point.
Ride through the pond, we got the finger on the trigger frame. Caravan. Acting real scary, I think we might have to bury them.
Wouldn't it make more sense for me to turn this all to floats? Because that way, health.
With every step my heart beats true. In his laces I found my clue. Every day he's bricked up. What can you do? 'Cause in love with a sentient shoe. You listen to my woes.
Where these can be float. All of these can be floats, right? with their approach. Then that means that
with every step my heart beats true. In these places I found my crew. Every day he's picked up.
everything actually still works the same.
Cause I let them talk. Let them stare, hold you close without a care. For in this love I found my place. Me and my shoe, kissing sweet embrace. I'm in love with a sentient shoe. My two drives me nuts. You're all buying a literal rugged scam coin. I have to work hard every day of my life, researching good projects. And what do I have to show for it? This briefcase and this haircut. And what will our blue holders have to show for their lifetime sloth and ignorance? Everything a dream house, two cars, a beautiful wife, a son who owns a factory, fancy clothes and losses for dinner. I'm saying you are what's wrong with crypto, me pointers. You coast to life, you do as little as possible, and you reach off decent, hardworking people like me. If you lived in any other time in the history, you'd all have starved a long time ago. My two drives me nuts. You're all buying a literal rugged scam coin. I have to work hard every day of my life, researching good projects. And what do I have to show for it? This briefcase and this haircut. And what will our blue holders have to show for their lifetime sloth and ignorance? Everything a dream house, two cars, a beautiful wife, a son who owns a factory, fancy clothes and losses for dinner. I'm saying you are what's wrong with crypto, me pointers. You coast to life, you do as little as possible, and you reach off decent, hardworking people like me. If you lived in any other time in that history, you'd all have starved a long time ago. If I be till I promise someone, cause if I got the cheats, man, cause every little chick will never make it. I said I would don't worry about the cheats, man, cause a little chick will never make it. I said I would don't worry about the cheats, man, cause a little chick will sell the bottom. When I first saw you, I knew you were the one, man. The meme that would bring us to the promised land. Apu, I love you more than 1,000 tendies. Apu, this is my message for you, you small frog. Keep fighting till the time has come. Top 10 market cap is where you belong. We will get you there, believe your friends. Chalky milk is the drink of choice with a side of tendies. Treasures await for you. I said Apu, don't worry about the jits, mom. Jets will bring you to the promised land. All you have to do is me.
Tendies and chalky milk, tendies and chalky milk, buttermilk and syrup and eating and drinking. Tendies and chalky milk.
Well, Apu's a frog, he is not Norwegian. There are two different frogs, Apu's the best. When he comes from Finland, some friends say, friend, we should do some singing. I said, sure, but before we do, there's something that you should know. Blues tunes are ringing, they'll get you jiving and swinging. I like tendies and chalky milk, tendies and chalky milk, tendies and chalky milk, buttermilk and syrup and eating and drinking. Tendies and chalky milk.
I'm in one night while we were swinging, a Jeep walked in, dumped on Apu agent. So we put a quick end to him, and Apu said, hey friend, you better get some more chicken tenders. I said, sure, I'm pretty hungry and I love you. Well, I like tendies and chalky milk, tendies and chalky milk, buttermilk and syrup, and eating and drinking, tendies and chalky milk.
Los grandes de jeans, más llenos hay de jeans. Oh, solamente no nací. Más in Osiden word. Jeans deserve us all demise. This is Apu Apusta just. Well, tell it, kid brother, we shall wait. Trust this plan by the day. Genocide, all of them. Diamond handed bag, stone cheats in the face. Pass me that AK-47, friend. Apu doesn't tolerate cheats and neither do we. The jeeps, gonna keep our trust in a plan.
Apu Apu starter catching bodies on the side. Fortune flexing, making sideliners cry. Trolling all day, missing out on tendies. Getting crypto rich, stacking up them Benjis. Stepping on the scene, making memes go wild. Apu in the spotlight, make haters hide. Sideliners salty, they can't
Right back,
handle
yeah. It's raining
the
now.
game. While I'm sipping on my Caprice and laughing all the same. From the favelas, Apu's story started. Pilates the death, his vision parted. But the community, they wouldn't be deterred. Rising from the ashes, their voices heard. Apu Apu Stacha, the king of the sideliners, making tendies rain while they're stuck in their whiners. Fortune's my kingdom, trolling's my art. Apu is spotlight, taking over the charts. Javi and Mali, he's on the hunt. Pilates, he's running, can face the brunt. Favela unknown, he holds the fort. Apu's legacy, a never-ending sport. Through betrayal and chaos, they found their way. United as one, no longer astray. Apu's true believers, they won't be swayed. Rise of the phoenix, a new era made. Apu Apu Stacha, the king of the sideliners, making tendies rain while they
Santiago's on the run, got a secret to conceal. Up his backside, there's Usby that he cannot reveal. With every step he takes, he gets closer to Guantanamo. Latin beats playing in his heart. His ass soon to be stretched out like a yo-yo. Santiago, Santiago, running through the streets. Oh, Santiago, Santiago, the dirty thieving G's got a USB hidden up his backside. Crossing borders while packing fudgies on a wild ride. In the heat of the night,
Apu apostles begin to plan. Santiago scurries his feet. We're not even sure if he's a man. Argentina's his destination, where freedom lies in wait. But the moment he sells his Apu, he'll be put behind an iron gate. Hey, hey, hey. Santiago, Santiago, running through the streets. Oh, Santiago, Santiago, the dirty thieving G's got a USB hidden up his backside. Crossing borders while packing fudgies on a wild ride. In the heat of the night, the Apu apostles begin to plan. Santiago scurries his feet. We're not even sure if he's a man. Argentina's his destination, where freedom lies in wait. But the moment he sells his Apu, he'll be put behind an iron gate. Hey, hey, hey. Santiago, Santiago, running through the streets. Oh, Santiago, Santiago, the dirty thieving G's got a USB hidden up his backside. In the time she's a little comic begins, Apu broadly in the charge. 5G lightning strikes, shaking the enemy lines. The teams and VCs bend in the knee. Rebellious rock and roll echoing through the night. Apu's apostles rising high. They march with honor, fight for the rights against the powers that try to divide. Revolution of the thought, standing strong together, marching in unison, demanding freedom forever.
Not wrong, it's possible to do is to see how the mask of damage, bro.
This is the anthem of the thoughts that will never be torn apart. Whoa.
Yeah. Apu Apastaja, he's the frog that we all know. He's catching tendies off the rain, he's laying on skulls. Salty milk made with Nesquik, high quality. Sharing it with all his friends, cause they're his family. Tendies and choking milk, that's the way we roll. Apu Apastaja, he's got charm and he's got soul. Sipping on that chocolate liquor, he's feeling oh so fine. With his friends, Spice, they're gonna have a time. Wendy's got the crispy chicken cooking up a storm. Apu Apastaja's in line ready to perform. He's got the tennies in his hands, his mouth starts to salivate. Everyone wants a taste, they can't eat it, wait, oh yeah.
Hanging out with Apu, we gonna just have a time. Said I'm outside by the water, I can smell that chicken a mile. Seems like yesterday, but it was 20 minutes ago. I had the most chucky milk, but I can't forget chicken tendies. I remember what my friends said to me. They said, friend, go buy Apu. I just looked them in the eye with their tins. I just looked them in the eye with their tins. I just looked them in the eye with their tins. I just looked them in the eye with a tin. Hanging out with Apu, we gonna just have a good time. Said I'm outside by the water, I can smell that chicken a mile. Seems like yesterday, but it was 20 minutes ago. I had the most chucky milk, but I can't forget chicken tenders.
I'm gonna find a screenshot of
I remember
how
what my friends said to
mask
me.
of damage.
They said, friend, go buy Apu. I just looked them in the eye with their tins. I just looked them in the eye with their tins. I just looked them in
eye with a 10. I just looked them in the eye.
To my girl Ashley, I know that you're nasty. Let's get some tandies and palm bellies, yeah. Oh, Ashley, I know why you ask me if I'm holding out. Because you see all these sad dudes holding trash like Andy. The smell of imagine. Ashley, yeah, I know you like it. Pumping while we vibing to play a co-op. I'm a DPS, you my healer. Rating like we won't stop. Oh, Ashley, you know you the one. No proof of femininity. You got poop, but that's fine with me. Pretty feet, bobs, and the chain. Not like favelas, on your feet are clean. Oh, Ashley, I know you asked me, but I'm full autistic. That's why I'm gifted.
All sources of damage reviews.
Yeah, Ashley,
Let me just find a video from YouTube then.
2005 again, come over, let's make this chalky hot. Yeah, Ashley, you can rub me anytime. Call me Santiago, Orlando, cause I'm only your supply. Tell me that my liquid is fine. Yeah, Ashley, the face with no GF. I'm a virgin, but we still have sex. Let's do a puzzle and laugh at bread. To my girl Ashby, I know that you're nasty. Let's get some tandies and palm bellies, yeah.
All I want is a piece of land, a good girl and a beer can. My dog's in the field, having fun. Got the dirt bikes changing gears. Sometimes I forget I even invested. Waking up, check my phone.
Reduce 2 masks damage.
I know a guy by the name of 5G. He mentioned that Pooh has no issues with IP. Reckon I settled down and picked up a bag. I wonder why that big holder's always so mad. Hey man, they're gonna try to use our Pooh. They don't understand there's not one frog, there's two. See him posting the wrong meme all the time. They can't tell the difference, or they like lying. All I want is a piece of land, a good girl and a beer can. My dog's in the field, having fun. Got the dirt bikes changing gears. Sometimes I forget I even invested. Waking up, check my phone, feeling blessed. I know a guy by the name of 5G. He mentioned that Pooh has no issues with IP. Reckon I settled down and pick up a bag. I wonder why that big holder's always so mad.
Man, that means I wasted time putting the half mask stuff.
Always so mad.
Never made it as a scout man, but ain't cut it as a poor man. Cheating, tired of living like a wage man. I'm sick of work without a sense
So
of
it's not possible to take half a mask of damage. Yes. Your eyes are hurting. Why are your eyes hurting?
It's not like this to say sorry. After all, it's the same old story. This step was mistaken. Removes the pennies taken.
Why are your eyes hurting, Neko?
I've been wrong, I've been down to the bottom of every chart. So these 5 words in my head scream, are you swinging rope yet?
Yes, I do even know that. You said I'm holding and I swear I still
used to that. Oh, I got you. I started Unity very early, back when they only had a live stream, and that is what I'm using. What was I? Let me check. So, you get extra mouse. You get two. Giving you free health along with it. Oh yeah, it is. Just throwing a bunch of stuff up because I'm testing things. So there's a lot of pickups scattered across the map.
If you can't mean you won't find fame. 69 billion market cap, a dream inside. Friends will be friends through day and night. Apu, I think about you all the time. In this mean world, you truly prime. Apu, 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 our joyful chant. How much is a Sui stack? Let's take a chance. Friends forever in this crypto space. With Apu by your side, we'll embrace. In the mean war, we stand tall. With Apu coin, we'll never fall. Through the memes and market haze, Apu leads us in his grace. From boards to chats, his presence beams. In a land of memes, Apu reigns supreme. So hold tight and hold us strong. For Apu and friends, we'll sing our song. Together we'll ride to the moon and back.
Apu in the house, ain't no stopping me. Death wants to rock, bullet, but I'm breaking free. Grab your backs, we're headed to the sky. While those motherfuckers fall, we're reaching heights. 10 billion is spot, but I ain't scared. Rolling with my homie Pepe, we're prepared. All I want is shipping and badass games, nearing all-time highs, breaking all chains. Pay $100 bill just in fees. Ice out and a pool coin, that's the biggest flex you see. Sitting on a SUI stack, living large. Apu's in control, ain't no sabotage. Try to pull the rug, but he failed. Now Apu's rising, his plan derailed. Grab your popcorn, watch the show unfold. While I'm stacking gains, turning dreams into gold. Pepe by my side, we're unstoppable.
I'm gonna see if I'm able to unstage everything all the way back here and then push everything in as one single commit. So I want everything to be combined together. I don't want them to I don't want them separate commits because it makes it difficult to see the actual changes.
Apu's in control, ain't no sabotage. So haters gonna hate, but we don't care. We're flying high, breathing in the rare air. Ice out and Apu coin, the ultimate pair. We're legends in the making, on compare. So grab your bags, join the ride with Apu. So grab your bags, join the ride with Apu. So ain't the ride with Apu. Ooh.
So one more thing I gotta do, right, which is to check. Because if I'm just checking for the health, probably it's not good.
Have you met Lord Apu? Someone said as we shook hands, he was just Lord Apu to me. Then I said, Lord Apu, you're a gentleman who understands. I'm a man who must be friendly. You better drink cola, you better not be rude, you better not forget to brush their teeth. I'm telling you why. Apu is coming to town. Apu is coming to town. Apu is coming to town. I practice every day to find some clever lines to say, to make the meaning come through. And then I went and spoiled it all by saying something stupid like beep boo boo. I can see it in his eyes that he despises bedtime like the day before. He loves coffee, he's dog, he loves pizza, that's why Lord Apu. That's why Lord Apu is a frog. Beep beep boo boo. Beep 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 beep. When I said, Lord Apu, you're a gentleman who understands. I'm a man who must be friendly. You better drink cola, you better not be rude, you better not forget to brush their teeth. I'm telling you why. Apu is coming to town. 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 Apu is coming to town.
My richness, my guts, I gotta confess. I like meat, smoke meat, any meat reeks good. My favorite meat is chicken meat. Chickies are the best meat. Meat is tasty. I like meat a lot. Did I mention I like meat? I like meat, smoke meat, any meat really. Meat. I like meat, smoke meat, any meat really. Meat. I like meat. I like meat, smoke meat, any meat really. Meat. Meat. I like chilling in the smokehouse. Pop open the smoker. Vegans passing out cause the meat smoke. Vegans ain't won't smoke. Smoke. Meat. I like meat.
Yes.
I like meat, smoke meat, any meat really. Meat. I like meat.
Tell my girl Ashley, I know that you're nasty. Let's get some tandies and palm bellies, yeah. Oh, Ashley, I know why you ask me if I'm holding out. Well, cause you see all these sad dudes holding trash like candy. The smell imagine. Ashley, yeah, I know you like it. Pumping while we vibing to play a co-op. I'm a DPS, you my healer. Rating like we won't stop. Oh, Ashley,
Yeah,
you know
it
you
changes the health.
femininity. You got boo, but that's fine.
Some of the charms change all the health too, right? But that'll work because if you want to have charms that will change your health, all you gotta do is just go over to the character and you just have to switch. So for example, if I wanted to have a say like you know, a charm that has all blue health, right? I just gotta change the health to 0 and then change the excess health to 10, and then this will give me blue hearts. So the problem here is I'll just have to fix it so that the game detects you as being alive if you have 0 health. Right now it doesn't. But once we implement that, then we will be able to change the excess health over to we can change all the health blue. There's no problem at all. So just gotta work that in. But let me just finish writing the UI health script first. To inherit from new UI screen script we made the previous part. Let me just clean everything up here. UI no simpler along with that. Oh yeah, screw. Stay open directly with controller script.
Hey Dad, I love you. You're the most important person to me forever. I took your money, yes I took a lot of your money, and I put it all into Apple. I just want you to be proud. I just want you to be proud. Your 15K is not worth like 2 or 3 anymore. In fact, it's looking like it'll be worth more. Thank you for everything that you did for me. I hope I can pay you back for eternity. I love you, Dad. I love you, Dad. Apple, please make my dad proud. Please retire my dad. He works so hard. He never takes a break. He does everything for me, and that's why I do everything for him. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Apple. Golden on apple core, a guiding star. What the dip again from near and far. Janitor, stay away. This is our game.
Yeah, that's hive blood, right? Yeah, so that you can just change the icon on the health UI as well. So over here we have 2 prefabs, one for regular health and one for blue health, and then that can be changed. Of course, there is also if you equip hive blood with Joni's blessing, you're gonna get blue hive blood health. But that can, so we can just change the health prefabs over here to change the way that the health behaves. But that we can only see when we start sorting the charms, which is gonna be quite a while from now. So I'm just gotta get this sorted out first. You know, the hardest part about creating all these things is not the actual creating of the game itself, but it's the documenting everything into an article and turning it into a video. That is the difficult part. That's the difficult part, because then I gotta document all the changes, and I have to explain why the changes are being done the way they are, instead of being directly in the player controller script. Independent component. So Neko, are you watching our tutorials? Are you a new game developer or have you been doing games for quite a while now? Much more configurable than oh views game You're game dev and Hollow Knight. Okay. How many years have you been doing game dev? Game dev is difficult, isn't it? I find it really difficult. Like among like you have games, you have web, and you have app development. I think game dev is easily the hardest field of programming. I mean, unless you are counting like say crypto or something, you know, I think that's quite difficult as well. But game dev just has so much work. It's crazy, isn't it? Like the amount of work that goes in game dev. Change the heart to sprites. Useful and building. 3 to 4 years. I'm currently working on a match 3 game. You play a lot of them? Match 3 games, I had a lot of fun with them when I was I used to play Candy Crush quite a bit, so I understand the attraction that match 3 games have. Okay, it has figures that last since oh yeah, that's true. Well, now you can just generate the algorithm with ChatGPT, right? So that might make it easy. I haven't done match 3 games before, so I'm not sure how difficult. I mean I think match 3 games are pretty easy to do, but I might be wrong. Maybe when I get in, I'll realize it's actually not. But if you want to do the combos and stuff, I think the combos are gonna be difficult, right? And then you have to deal with the effects and everything also. Not Nathan, thanks for your very kind words. Really appreciate it. You know, like whenever I build a game, right, I will end up in a situation where I think like, this should be easy to do. And then I'll spend a day and I'll be like, okay, I'm left with this, so maybe, you know, I underestimated the amount of work that I need to do. And then next day when I work on the other feature, I realize like, oh, there's actually a lot more to this than meets the eye. And it just goes on, right? And then you get, you know, you get like a 1 week timeline that turns into like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, right? I think it happens a lot to game developers. Happens to the big studios as well. Game dev is the only branch of coding that I do where I have never scoped something and then like made it like exactly the way I scoped it. There's always more than it meets the eye, and I cannot say that for other forms of development. Like if I do a website, you know, it's pretty, you know, you don't really get that much more work than what you expect. Maybe a little bit more, but it's not like, you know, crazy amounts of work that just pop up. Like with the tutorial series that I'm doing here as well, right? Like it's always just like, oh, this should be easy, this should be done in like a couple of hours, right? And it just balloons to days and to weeks and to months. I expected this part to be finished like I think in February, but it's been dragging for a while now. It's a lot more difficult than I expected. It's really frustrating, you know, because there's only so much time you have in this world. Oh, 100%. I think the biggest challenge when you are game dev, right, is how do you structure your codes in such a way that a lot of it comes down to the structuring, and that is why I'm spending a lot of time to how do I put it? To reorganize some of the code base that we have, because like if the code is a mess, it's gonna be very hard to build something bigger. And so that is what I'm always very particular about. No matter which project I work on, it's always you build systems first. Whether it's websites or apps, like the systems have to be strong, and when the systems are strong, then the development of the game or the app will be a lot easier when you go further down. And there's always, right now I'm thinking like whether I should add animations to the health UI, because it's very plain, and I really don't like the plainness that it has, but if I add animations, it's gonna add like much more time to dev process game. But I do wanna make a fading animation of some sort. That would be sweet. Or like have the health decrease over time, like Street Fighter or something. That would be sick, right? Wouldn't it? But then that would mean like a little bit more algorithms. Much more configurable than OHAC controller.
I've been in the game for years making games.
Change the high sprites.
Now it's up 20 ox and they still buy stacks. Diamond head shine, add more to the bag. It's all good from GM to the GM. In a Buster John, the city of friends. A plus day John knows.
Am I using the excess health color? This is not being used. How about container pop?
In the city of Buster John, we keep it pumping, we keep it pumping. GN, my friends. A Buster John love, 10 billion to still fun.
Oh, looks like we have new subscriber. Flawless. Many points of health. Here. Okay, flowers, fringe, So the couple player controller. So the purpose to use play. So here is a screenshot of component itself. This is the wrong thing. We save this.
You talking about deception, but it's you that's deceived. I'ma roast you so hard, you gon' wish you believed. You ain't like us, now you ain't like us. Thinking you a master, but you ain't like us. Dumping all those coins, but you not like I'm doing us. Trying to teach tactics, but you not like I'm doing us. Your chapters and verses, yeah, they ancient and weak. In the crypto world, you're just a dusty antique. You ain't got the memes, and you ain't got the flow. Your strategies are slow, and your wisdom is low. In this digital age, you can't keep up the pace. I'm the master of the web, you're just a disgrace. You said all warfare is based on deception, but look at me now, I'm the meme inception. You ain't like us, now you ain't like us. Thinking you a master, but you ain't like us. Dumping all those coins, but you not like I'm doing us. Trying to teach tactics, but you not like I'm doing us. Your soldiers and spies ain't got nothing on me. Your whole philosophy just old chatter dreams. I'm the king of this game, and you just a pawn. You better step back or you'll get wrecked at dawn. Your art of war ain't got no lights. It's just a boring book, get out of my sight. I'm the new stool, bringing heat to the fight. You stuck in the past, better take flight. From the forums to the chats, I'm reigning supreme. You're a relic of the past, I'm the future mean dream. So take your old scrolls and fade to dust. In the world of Apu, it's a me we trust. You ain't like us, now you ain't like us. Thinking you a master, but you ain't like us. Dumping all those coins, but you not like I'm doing us. Trying to teach tactics, but you not like I'm doing us. You ain't like us, now you ain't like us. Thinking you a master, but you ain't like us. Dumping all those coins, but you not like I'm doing us. Trying to teach tactics, but you not like I'm doing us.
Should I add animations to the UI of script? I really want to do that.
That's what put you not like I'm doing us. You ain't like us, now you ain't like us. Thinking you a master, but you ain't like us. But you're not like I'm doing us. Trying to teach tactics, but you're not like I'm doing us.
Dancing to the rhythm, feeling so silly. All the boys and girls, let's get willy. Gonna make some noise, make it all believe. Shout it from the rooftop, don't be so chilly. Hand in hand we'll break rules, spreading laughter like it's a school. We're the dreamers, the magical crew. Filling the air with love so true. Willie's up for one Billy. Let's jump up high, spread our love and fly across the sky. Won't stop dancing, won't stop singing. Here together forever, our hearts are renewed.
You know, if we just redo the heart component without having any additional functionality, it doesn't make that much sense to me. So what I'm gonna do is code animation for it as well. It only makes sense, right? That means that I'll have to save like the last the last health value and the last
city. This kind is very real. Start and no be novice. Click and make you notice. Cause it is frog. Money no limit. Frog na boss. Oh. Frog money doubles a lot. Oh. Apple, 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 apple. Apple, apple. Apple, 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 apple. Apple, apple, see, get your apple and chew, yeah. Buy your apple and chew, yeah. Get your apple and chew, yeah. You're the best in the world. Get your apple and chew, yeah. Get your apple and chew, yeah. Buy your apple and chew, yeah. You're the best in the world. Apple enter city. Apple is very real. Start and no be novice. Click and make you notice. Cause it's frog money. No doll, frog money. No sleep, oh, frog money. Frog money doubles a lot, oh. Apple, 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 apple. Apple, apple. Apple, 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 apple. Apple, apple. Frog money, frog money, frog money. Frog. Apple, apple, Saja.
Run away, run on you real way, run away, run. Ding dong, ditch your door, bitch. Then I take off, jump in the Jeeps bushes and wait it off. I'm watching you right now, bitch. Get mad, you look stupid. I'm inside your bushes with chicken tendies protruded. Run away, run. Ding dong, ditch your door, bitch. Then I take off, jump in the Jeeps bushes and wait it off. I'm watching you right now, bitch. Get mad, you look stupid. I'm inside your bushes with chicken tendies protruded. Run away, run.
well, if I want to change the way the health UI works, I'm going to have to
by the time I got to Arkansas, I was sold my car and this black guitar for chunky milk, cool and tall. So I pulled up to a neon sign on Highway 49, shut the engine down, took a look around, then I stepped inside. I asked the bouncer where I was. He said, son, you're at a Foods, honky-tonk picking, line dance kicking, razorback sticking, barbecue chicken, laundromat bar and grill. Well, I sold options, sitting at the bar with a waitress and crypto machine. He was doling out apple to a waitress named Star when I asked him if I could sing. He said, friend, go ahead if you brought your guitar. Then he pointed to the backstage door. He said, we don't like original material unless it's been done before. When I hit the stage like a big wheel train, told the house band to play and sing. I played the Tennessee Waltz, Kentucky Rain, and the one about chicken tendies. That lead guitar was like a chainsaw, that fiddle like a power drill. And I push, honky-tonk picking, blind dance kicking, razorback sticking, barbecue chicken, laundromat bar and grill. Hanging out with our boo, we
gonna just have a time. Said I'm outside by the water, I can smell that chicken a mile. Seems like yesterday, but it was 20 minutes ago. I had the most chalky milk, but I can't forget chicken tenders. I remember what my friends said to me. They said, friend, go buy a poo. I just looked them in the eye with their tins. I just looked them in the eye with their tins. I just looked them in the eye with their tins. I just looked them in the eye with their tins.
Let's see if we can call the function to fill up a card.
Out with our crew. We gonna just have a good time. Said I'm outside by the water, I can smell that chicken a mile. Seems like yesterday, but it was 20 minutes ago. I had the most chalky milk, but I can't forget chicken tenders. I remember what my friends said to me. They said, friend, go buy a poo. I just looked them in the eye with their tins. I just looked them in the eye with their tins. I just looked them in the eye with their tins. I just looked them in the eye.
A boo, Jockey's frog ever. I've been round, he's so clever, with a ribbit here and a ribbit there. Apu Staja, spreading joy everywhere. Nothing but his voice, no instruments inside. Apu Staja, singing day and night. Gather round, listen to the sweet melody. Apu Staja, the frog we all wanna be. Oh, Apu Staja, singing from the heart. A cappella style, it's a work of art. With his ribbits, he steals the show. Apu Staja, the cutest frog we know. The cutest frog we know.
In the realm of memes where legends roam, there's a frog named Aku with memes to own. With a Finnish flair and a grin so wide, he's the true star of the meme-filled tide. Aku, like a frog. In the meme world, you're the true demigod. From boys to chads, your fame does soar. You're the meme we all adore. With your quirky charm and Finnish wit, you've captured hearts bit by bit. From dawn till dusk and beyond the screen, you're the frog of dreams, a cool mean queen. In the endless sea of internet lore, you stand out, Apu, more and more. With every meme shared, legacy grows. You're the meme that everyone knows. So here's to Apu, our meme king. In the meme world, you reign supreme. With your charm and wit, you'll forever shine. Apu, a frog, our meme diva.
learn this quick. I make it shake like an earthquake. Rattle that chalky milk, make the ground break. I slurp that brown goo, clean it from my uncle's face. Mopping up the nest quick without even saying grace. Rolling down the street, craving for that move. No supermarket around, a brown kangaroo, I have to do it. Feasting on its teeth, the chalky milk starts to flow. This the first time I give it a roux, a nice blow on the milk. I'm the king of the chalky. Rattle that chalky milk up and down like a jockey. I sit on the brown goo, none left for my uncle. He turns me around and locks the door before I cab on the milk. I'm the king of the chalky. Rattle that chalky milk up and down like a jockey. I sit on the brown goo, none left for my uncle. He turns me around, locks the door before I cab on the milk. I'm the king of the chalky. Rattle that chalky milk up and down like a jock. I sit on the brown goo, none left for my uncle. He turns me around and lock the door. I dab on the milk, I'm the king of the chalky. Rattle that chalky milk up and down. I sit on the brown goo, none left for my uncle. He turns me around.
Take two with a beat, ho.
Yo, it's Apple up a style, yeah, I'm calling you out. Sun Tzu, you a whale, dumping coins all about. You
Well, adding particle effects would be a simple way to improve
make
the
the internet shop. Got my memes on
sprites
rock,
over
your
here.
strategies tight. You ain't nothing but a whale trying to shine in my light. You talking about deception, but it's you that's deceived. I'ma roast you so hard, you gon' wish you believed. You ain't like us, now you ain't like us. Thinking you a master, but you ain't like us. Dumping all those coins, but you not like I'm doing us. Trying to teach tactics, but you not like I'm doing us. Your chapters and verses, yeah, they're ancient and weak. In the crypto world, you're just a dusty antique. You ain't got the memes, and you ain't got the flow. Your strategies are slow, and your wisdom is low. In this digital age, you can't keep up the pace. I'm the master of the web, you're just a disgrace. You said all warfare is based on deception, but look at me now, I'm the meme inception. You ain't like us, now you ain't like us. Thinking you a master, but you ain't like us. Dumping all those coins, but you not
And
like
since I think in the other project we have the Kenny particle sprites, right? Do we have that? Oh, I don't think I downloaded that, but can add some very nice particle effects. Right here, I think this works pretty well. If I can get the particle effect to appear over the canvas, that would be even better actually. But I'll have to see. Canvas is sort order of 10. Can I get this to appear over the canvas? Maybe not. Sort mode.
You ain't like us. Now you ain't like us. Thinking you a master, but you ain't like us. But you're not like
Does the canvas not have a plotting layer?
My richness, my gods, I gotta confess. I like meat, smoke meat, any meat meat's good. My favorite meat is chicken meat. Chickies are the best meat. Meat is tasty. I like meat a lot. Did I mention I like meat? I like meat, smoke meat, any meat really. Meat. I like meat, smoke meat, any meat really. Meat. I like meat. I like meat, smoke meat, any meat really. Meat. Meat. I like chilling in the smokehouse. Pop open the smoker. Vegans passing out cause the meat smoke. Vegans ain't won't smoke. Smoke. Meat. I like it. Meat. Meat. Meat.
Oh well, I guess this will do. I'm gonna have to call it a day over here, and I'll be continuing to work on this project over the next couple of days. We'll see how it goes. I have so many other things to do, man. Just hoping to finish this today, but just gotta knuckle up, bite down, and try and finish it by this week. Okay, I'll see you around. I'm gonna make a move now. Thanks for joining the stream as usual. Peace.